Demystifying the Phrase, 3D Puzzle. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving deep into an interesting English phrase, 3D puzzle. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it. Let's get started. The phrase, 3D puzzle, has two main components, 3D and puzzle. 1. 3D stands for three-dimensional. In simpler terms, something that has height, width, and depth. Objects in the real world, like a building or a tree, are three-dimensional. 2. Puzzle is a game, toy, or problem designed to test ingenuity or knowledge. You might be familiar with jigsaw puzzles, where you piece together various parts to form a picture. So, when combined, a 3D puzzle is a puzzle that you assemble in all three dimensions. Instead of laying it flat on a table, like a jigsaw puzzle, you'll be building upwards and outwards too. 3D puzzles are popular for several reasons. 1. Engaging activity. They are fun and offer a challenge to people of all ages. 2. Skill development. They help in developing spatial reasoning, hand-eye coordination, and problem-solving skills. 3. Decorative. Once completed, many 3D puzzles can be displayed as decorative pieces in homes or offices. There are various types of 3D puzzles. 1. Architectural models. These can be famous landmarks like the Eiffel Tower or the Statue of Liberty. 2. Objects. Everyday items, such as shoes or cameras. 3. Animals. Creatures like dinosaurs, birds, or even mythological beasts. 4. Abstract structures. These are intricate designs that don't necessarily represent anything specific but are visually captivating. So there you have it. The phrase, 3D puzzle, refers to an engaging, three-dimensional challenge that not only provides entertainment but also sharpens the mind. Next time you see one, maybe give it a try. We hope this video has shed light on this fascinating topic. Stay curious and keep learning.